Good evening, I'm Karen Swenson.
And I'm Sharice Gibson. As the Delta variant continues to race across the state, we're not seeing nearly as many cases in nursing homes as we once did.
Experts say that's likely due to a large number of residents being vaccinated. But as Danny Monteverdi tells us, the number of nursing home employees who've received the shot is lagging. And one employer has already mandated them to help stop the spread.
Numbers from the State Department of Health show few outbreaks of COVID cases in nursing homes these days. It's a far different situation from the early days of the pandemic when nursing homes locked down as cases spiraled out of control. Health experts credit the change with a large number of residents getting vaccinated, nearly 80% statewide. Lagging behind that, and causing concern for some, is the number of employees at nursing homes who have not yet gotten the shot. On average, 47% of nursing home employees are vaccinated, according to State Health Department data. Dr. Fred Lopez, an infectious disease expert with LSU Health New Orleans, says it's especially important for people in nursing homes to be vaccinated and cared for by those who have been vaccinated as well.
We know the vaccines are very, very good, but where aren't they as good? They're not as good in people who are older and or have underlying chronic medical conditions, both of which are seen frequently in residents of nursing homes.
Legacy Nursing and Rehabilitation of Plaquemine, near Baton Rouge, has the lowest vaccination rate for staff in the state, according to the Department of Health. That's at 8%. The 82-resident nursing home also has 9 new COVID cases among residents and 1 new case among the staff. A message seeking comment was not returned. One local nursing home is the polar opposite. It's a different story these days at Lambeth House in uptown New Orleans, which was in the headlines for all the wrong reasons at the start of the pandemic. These days, 100% of the residents are vaccinated and 99% of the staff is as well. Scott Crabtree, the CEO, says about 85% of the staff got the shot before that number plateaued, leading to a mandate for vaccines.
We have a moral and ethical obligation for them to have their lives back. But for our staff, it's also about protecting them and giving them a safe environment so they can go home to their family and friends and be safe.
Crabtree says the decision by some who work in healthcare to not get vaccinated is perplexing.
We did it because enough is enough with this pandemic. You know, let's get everybody's life back. And we've been given a tool that works.
Danny Monteverdi, Eyewitness News.
Now, the Louisiana Nursing Home Association, a private group, says it, quote, strongly urges all residents and staff members to get vaccinated, but it has not come out in support of mandatory vaccinations.